Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, you want to learn CES cool song called 1+1. Great choice. This is a very fun song to play, and this song comes from her latest album called Music. And if you have been able to see in her music video, you will see a lot of colors. It's a very joyful song and with funny characters in it, so basically a fun song. The chords are very basic, and if you don't know them already, it's very easy to learn them. And they sound and look like this. First, D minor. Then comes the G chord. I use it with my ring finger here. It's optional, but I like this sound with the ring finger, and it sounds like this. Then comes the C. And finally the A minor. And yeah, this is really easy chords, but the challenge here is to get the right rhythm. There's a feeling in this song, and how I now gonna show you how to play it. This is just my interpretation. There's no right or wrong, but this is how I would play it to make it guitar friendly, so to speak. The verse, I would use one rhythm, and the pre-chorus and the chorus I would use another rhythm. So first the verse. If you go to the original song, it would really be played just with one downstroke for every chord, and it would just sound like this. But I would like to add some flesh to it, so the rhythm I would choose to have, the pattern here, would be something like this. And what that is, it's one downstroke, one small pause, and then two downstrokes for every chord. So in slow motion, it will be like this. Down, pause, down, down. Down, pause, down, down. So in slow motion, all together, it will sound like this. And in normal tempo, something like this. So that's it for the verse. Now, pre-chorus and chorus, I will use, like I told you before, the same pattern. And I can show you this in a slower version and in the standard tempo. So if we just show it in a standard tempo, it will sound like this. And what that is, it's one downstroke, and on the way up you clap, and it sounds like this. That's the first part. And the second part is one full down and one full up, and then clap. So in a slower tempo, together, it will sound like this. standard tempo like this. And with the chord progression and everything, it will sound like this. And so on. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. This is how I would play it. This is only my version. You could play it in many other ways, of course. So please hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. And like always, play tuned.